In front of us, we have question 1, first part of exercise 3.4. Solve the following pair of linear equation with elimination method and substitution method. Substitution method we did in last chapter 3.3. Okay, now elimination method. What is elimination method? First is elimination method. What are the equations? Equations are x plus y equals to 5. This is the first equation. Second equation is 2x minus 3y equals to 4. This is the second equation. Okay. In elimination method, we make the coefficients of both the equation, x coefficient of both the equations same. So for this we have to multiply first equation by 2 so that the coefficient of x in both the terms will same. So multiply first with by 1 by 2. When we multiply equation 1 with 2, we get 2x plus 2y equals to 10. Okay. Now subtract second equation from this equation. So I am writing directly here, multiply 1 by 2 and subtract second equation from first, from this equation. Okay. So this is the equation we get by multiplying, and now we will subtract second equation from this equation. So this is 4. When we subtract, sign will change. This is plus, this will be minus, this is minus, this will be plus, this is plus and minus. So this term will eliminate, and 3 plus 2 is 5y is equal to 6. So from here we can write y is equal to 6 by 5. Okay, now put the value of y in first. Put the value of y in first equation. First equation is x plus y equals to 5. So x plus 6 by 5 equals to 5. So x is equal to 5 minus 6 by 5. That is 25 minus 6 by 5, that is 19 by 5. So x value is 19 by 5. This is the elimination method. Now we will do substitution method. Equations are x plus y is equal to 5, 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. This is first equation. This is second equation. From first we get x is equal to 5 minus y. So this is third equation. Now put the value of x in second equation. So 2 into 2, 5 minus y minus 3y is equal to 4. 10 minus 2y minus 3y equals to 4. So now 10 minus 5y, 10 minus 5y equals to 4. From here, minus 5y, 4 minus 10 minus 5y is equal to minus 6, and y is equal to 6 by 5. Okay, now put this value of y, put value of y in third equation. What is the third equation? X minus x is equal to 5 minus 6 by 5. X is equal to 25 minus 6 divided by 5. So we get 19 by 5. So x value is 19 by 5. This is the substitution method.
If you find my video useful, for more videos, subscribe my YouTube channel. Go to my website www.hometuitionlive.com. Thank you. Keep learning. Stay home. Stay safe.